PromeAI has powerful AI-driven design assistance and an extensive controllable AIGC model style library, enabling you to easily create stunning AI art, images, graphics, videos, and animations. PromeAI is an essential tool for amateurs, architects, interior designers, product designers, and game and animation designers. Before we move forward, just sign up for PromeAI account. Once you log in, this is your home page will look like. On your left side, you will see three main categories: image generation, image editing, and video. There are lots of product category which specifies all the products that are available in PromeAI. Let's take a brief look at main of them one by one. Let's start with sketch rendering. You can turn your sketches into realistic renderings. There are many tools which offer this feature, but how PromeAI stands apart is its ease of use and accessibility. Simply click at Sketch Rendering. Here you can upload your sketch or choose from assets. After choose a sketch, you will see a tab below which is used to configure the kind of output that we want from our rendering. You will find Style, Scene, and Render mode. When you click on any of tab, it will open wide range of categories. When you click that, and inside is a subcategory that you can select accordingly, like I am doing. Next is Render mode. Your selection in this category will define how much creativity you want AI to implement in your rendering and how much of originality from your base drawing you want to retain. There are different options like outline, depth, and precision concept. The selection of each one affects your rendering. Finally, hit Generate button to start rendering. It will take 15 to 20 seconds, which is a pretty quick turnaround time. It will bring three results in front of you and you can see the results, and these are quite impressive. The AI has done a great job in the interpreting the sketch, and also the image quality and environment are on point. We can try the same with other options, like you can upload your image sketch. Finally, hit Generate button and you can see this produces some really amazing results. The same features work as for floor plan. And this interpretation turned out to be of really good quality. AI Image Generator is another amazing feature you can find in PromeAI. You can turn text into stunning AI-generated image, producing stunning art, illustrations, drawings, paintings, and images. Simply type any text like I am typing. Now select Style tab and you can choose from a wide range of categories. Finally, hit Generate button and after a couple of seconds you will see stunning results. Now let's talk about Creative Fusion. You can blend two images together with this feature. This is one of the coolest features of this platform and the results are amazing. Click on Creative Fusion. We have to upload our image, which displays on the left side, and on the right side we have different styles of images which is used for the rendering to create the fusion. Here are different categories and wide range of options under all categories. Now select Render mode and finally hit the Generate button. That's some stunning results we have. Actually, AI has taken the characteristics of the style image and fused it with the basic sketch that we provided. It has taken the lighting, ambience, and mood of the image and fused this seamlessly with the basic sketch. This is by far one of the most impressive features that I found about PromeAI. Now let's talk about another amazing feature called Photo to Sketch. You can turn your photos into sketches. Simply upload your photo and choose Design Sketch. There are two categories, one is Design Sketch and second is Art Sketch. These sketches are pretty amazing and the quality of lines, hatches and shading are close to professional. Now upload another image. Select Concept Art Sketch and then choose Render mode. Finally hit Generate. After couple of seconds you will see amazing building sketch and the quality of lines, hatches and shading are close to professional. Now let's talk about background diffusion. You can use this tool to select a certain element in your image and use AI to completely change the background. Simply upload your image and you will be able to auto-select or manually select specific parts of the image. Now choose option from tab below. And finally hit generate. The results are amazing. We can try the same with other options like indoor furniture. Results are amazing. Let's click on Erase and Replace tool. Simply upload your image and it goes through an analysis and each element in the image is separately selectable. You can also use this manual selection tool to brush over the areas you want to select. As you can see, I have selected the pictures inside the frame. Now you can replace, remove, retouch or recolor this image. Let's replace it with some interested. Describe what you would like to replace the selected content with anything you want. Hit generate and you will see the results. Now let's remove any object. Simply select the object or area and then click on remove and hit generate button. The results are in front of you. Similarly, you can use retouch and recolor options and results are amazing. Now let's talk about image to video, where you can upload your images and quickly transform them into high-quality videos. Simply upload your image and select motion low or high. Hit generate button and you will amaze to see the result. You can animate your character too. Last but not least, the most powerful tool in PromeAI that I like most is AI video generation. Turn text into amazing AI videos, turning your wildest imagination into reality. Simply add a text prompt. Select the style. Now select scale and motion. Finally hit the generate button and now witness the magic of text-to-video AI. Well, this is a simple review of this amazing PromeAI and I am sure you must have liked it. To buy a subscription to this tool, you have to visit their official website. You can get their base package in just $19 per month. I think it is a good deal to start with and hope you like it. Free coin redeem link is mentioned in the description. Please go get yours today. Please also subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.